Hello, everyone. My name is Vicky Menegas. I am a retirement technician with San Joaquin County Employees Retirement Association. SJCERA handles retirement, disability, and survivor benefits for all San Joaquin County employees and 9 other participating employers. These benefits are for full-time permanent employees and their beneficiaries. Membership is mandatory. However, employees who first begin working in a position eligible for SJCERA membership at age 60 or older can opt out of membership by completing SJCERA's membership waiver form within the first 30 days of employment. You have a great pension plan. Why? Because it is a lifetime benefit. On top of that, each year your benefit is eligible for a cost of living adjustment, a COLA of 0 to 3%, based on inflation as measured by the Consumer Price Index. To put it simply, you can still receive a raise while you are retired. There are 2 types of membership, general and safety, which are defined by your job classification. Safety members include deputy sheriffs, firefighters, correctional officers, and probation officers. A full list of safety members can be found on our website. All other members, those working in non-safety jobs, are general members. Members are also organized into tiers based on your SJCERA entry date. Currently, SJCERA has 2 tiers, Tier 1 and Tier 2. Generally, if you were first hired into a covered position at a California public agency on or after January 1st, 2013, you are a Tier 2 member. If you were hired into a covered position at a California public agency before January 1st, 2013, you are generally a Tier 1 member. You might be wondering who pays for your benefit and how much. Both you and your employer contribute to your benefit, and SJCERA invests those contributions to fund the benefit you receive in retirement. Let's use Tier 2 employees as an example. General Tier 2 members have a contribution rate of 10.35%. This means they contribute $10.35 for every $100 they make gross. Safety members contribute $15.84. Your employer also contributes to your retirement on your behalf. For general members, your employer contributes 39.70%. For example, for every $100 you make gross, your employer contributes $39.70. If you are a safety member, your employer contributes $80.98. If you are a Tier 1 employee, feel free to give our office a call and we can assist you with your contribution rate. Retirement contributions are pre-tax deductions. This means that your retirement contributions are deducted from your paycheck before taxes, which could potentially put you in a lower tax bracket. Although retirement contributions are not taxed when deducted, you will pay taxes on the retirement benefit you eventually receive that is based on those contributions. There are 2 basic requirements to qualify for retirement: years of service and age at retirement. All Tier 2 members must have at least 5 full-time years of service credit to qualify for retirement. In addition, members must meet the minimum age requirement. For general Tier 2 members, the minimum age to retire is 52. For safety members, the minimum age is 50. There are 2 basic requirements to qualify for retirement: years of service and age at retirement. All Tier 2 members must have at least 5 full-time years of service credit to qualify for retirement. In addition, members must meet the minimum age requirements. For general Tier 2 members, the minimum age to retire is 52. For safety members, the minimum age is 50. There are 3 things that we look at when calculating your retirement: age at retirement, years of service, and your highest 3-year final average compensation. To make it easy, the more money you make, the more years you put in, and the older you are when you retire, the larger your retirement benefit will be. On our website at sjcera.org, we have an online benefits calculator. This gives you the opportunity to play with some numbers to see how much you would need to earn, how many years you would need to serve, and the age you would need to be at retirement to get the monthly retirement benefit you are looking for. Let's compare two coworkers. When you go to our calculator, this is what it looks like. Let's say coworker A retires when they just meet the minimum requirement. They are age 52, have 5 full-time years of service, and make about $3,000 per month on average. When they retire, they are going to receive about $150 per month for the rest of their life, which is good if that is your goal. However, on the other hand, coworker B works until age 62, has 25 years of service, and makes roughly about $5,000 per month. At retirement, they are going to receive $2,500 for the rest of their life. Both situations can be good and beneficial. It all depends on your goal. Again, the older you are when you retire, the more money you make and the more years you put in, the larger your retirement is going to be. And on top of that, each of these members will receive a cost of living increase of 0 to 3% each year. There are 5 ways to increase your retirement benefit through service purchases. Redeposit. If you were previously a SJCERA member and refunded your contributions, you may put the money plus interest back into your account and get service credit for that time. Previous county service. As a temporary or part-time employee, you are not contributing into retirement. However, once you become a permanent employee, you can still get credit for that time worked if you purchase it. Medical leave of absence. If you take an approved absence without pay for medical reasons and return to your SJCERA covered job after your leave, you may be eligible to purchase up to 12 months of service credit for each absence. If you have active military service that interrupts your SJCERA membership and you return to SJCERA covered employment within certain timelines, you may be able to purchase up to 5 years of SJCERA service credit for that time. Prior public agency service refers to employment you had with an eligible public agency prior to becoming a SJCERA member. You may be able to purchase all or part of your prior public agency service and get service credit for that time added to your SJCERA service credit. Eligible prior public agencies include the state of California, federal government, the military, and some other public agencies in California. For more information about service purchases, read the Service Credit Purchase Fact Sheet on sjcera.org or contact our office. Have you worked for another agency covered by another California retirement system, such as Stanislaus County, CalPERS, or any other 37 Act county? If yes, please complete the previous employment and reciprocity section on the membership certification form. This allows SJCERA to determine your eligibility for reciprocity. What does reciprocity mean? Let's say you worked with San Joaquin County for 2 years and then go work for the state covered by CalPERS for 3 years. If you establish reciprocity, the service credit under both retirement systems counts towards retirement eligibility. So now you have the 5 years needed to be eligible to retire. Now let's say your state job pays 3 times more than your San Joaquin County job. Remember the 3 things we look at when you retire? One of them is your highest pay. Because you establish reciprocity, SJCERA will calculate your retirement benefit using the pay you earned with CalPERS, as if you had earned it with us. That will substantially increase your SJCERA benefit. In addition, if your reciprocal service was before 2013, establishing reciprocity could make you eligible for Tier 1. To establish reciprocity, you cannot have more than a 6-month gap between your membership in the two retirement systems. If you are unsure, please let us know so we can find out for you. If you have a chance to establish reciprocity, please do so. There are 3 documents we need from you by either turning them into your department or sending them directly to us. The membership certification form, a copy of your proof of age, and your beneficiary designation form. You may have received the forms in your employee packet, or you can get them from the Forms and Publications page on sjcera.org. The membership certification form tells us who you are, where you previously worked, and if you are eligible for reciprocity. Proof of age can be documented by providing a copy of your birth certificate, passport, or your real ID. If you don't have any of these documents, please contact our office and we can provide other options. The beneficiary designation form lets us know who you would like to receive your contributions if anything were to happen to you. What happens if you leave before you retire or before you hit that 5-year mark? You have 2 options. First, you can defer your retirement and leave your contributions on deposit with SJCERA. Members typically choose this option if they want to receive a monthly retirement benefit from SJCERA in the future, or they think they might work for a California public agency in the future. Your second option is to request a refund of your contributions, meaning you get back the money you put in plus interest minus taxes. Refunding your contributions cancels your SJCERA membership and rights to any benefits. Your pension is a lifetime benefit. Temporary and part-time employees can earn the same benefit once they become full-time. To retire, there are 2 minimum requirements: your age at retirement and your years of service, which is a minimum of 5 years. General Tier 2 members can retire at a minimum age of 52. Safety members can retire at a minimum age of 50. The more money you make, the more years you put in, and the older you are when you retire, the larger your retirement benefit is going to be. Remember to turn in your membership certification form, proof of age, and your beneficiary designation form. In closing, for more information about your retirement benefit, please visit our website, sjcera.org. If you have any additional questions, give us a call at 209-468-2163 or email us at contactus@sjcera.org. We are located at 6 South Eldorado Street, Suite 400. Congratulations for making the team at San Joaquin County.